Okay, children, now we are going to see about the standard 5th social. So I'll start with the choose the correct answer. Okay. Choose the correct answer. In this, dash is the cultivation of crops. Agriculture is the cultivation of crops. Cultivation of crops. Okay. A dash is a person who is engaged in agriculture. Yeah, farmer is a person who is engaged in agriculture. Third one, mixed farming is referred to the raising of animals. Mixed farming refers to the raising of animals. Raising of animals along with the crops. Along with the crops. Okay. Then fourth one, Central Groundwater Board. Central Groundwater Board monitors level and nature of groundwater. Then Coimbatore is the largest cotton producing. Coimbatore is the largest cotton producing district in Tamil Nadu. So Coimbatore. Okay, this is the choose education. Education is the first step for child's development. Education is more than literacy. The Right to Education Act describes the importance of free and compulsory education. For children. Okay, so this is the choose and match the following Unit 2, Unit 3, page number 135 and page number 146. Then third Roman letter, say true or false. In this true or false, Unit 2, page number 135. Yes. Unit 2, page number 135 and Unit 3, page number. So in the page number la ungalku match and idhukku, so all the match will be there. So 146. Okay, and now answer the following. So all this you have to learn with this. Take your book. Everything is in your book, and even the classes also I gave. So ad paathu ellame padinga. Now answer the following. Answer the following. First one, what is agriculture? What is agriculture? Then second one, write about farmers. Then name the different types of farming. Name the different types of farming. Then fourth one, what is well irrigation? What is well irrigation? Okay. Fifth one, give a short note. Write about importance of education. Then write a note on educational right. So write any two futures. Write any two futures. Samagra Shiksha. Write a note on educational mind. Write about the importance of education. Give a note on national education policy. Give a note on national education policy. So these are the 8 questions. Okay. Then answer in detail. Answer in detail. Question is it's fine. Write about mixed and plantation farming. Mixed and plantation farming. So this has come under the detailed question answer. Then explain any 2 types of irrigation. Explain any 2 types of irrigation. Then third one, write about Indian education system. Write about the Indian education system. Okay. Fourth one, write about Right to Education Act. In detail. Okay, so these are the question answer, short question and the detailed questions. So learn this and write down all these answers and learn the question answers. I didn't give the answers for this, so you just copy down the question and write the answers, and so from the classbook you can write the answers. Okay, children. So here in this, what is agriculture? So only the short answers, very easy, only the lessons and all. So learn the question answers. So in this, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the art and science of preparing soil for cultivation, growing crops and raising livestock. It leads to the development of human civilization. And write about the farmer. A farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals. And India is a land of farmers, and it is called so because majority of the Indians are directly or indirectly involved in agriculture. And name the different types of farming. The different types of farming are subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming and mixed farming. And what is well irrigation? Well irrigation as practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. It is a less expensive type of irrigation. Okay. And write about the, give a note or write about the importance of education. So importance of education. Education doesn't mean that one should be literate. It is more than literacy. It helps to analyze the reason, build skills to live, know what is right and wrong, and lead a normal life. Okay. And what is, give a short note on, write any 2 futures of Samagra Shiksha. So in Samagra Shiksha, what are the 2 futures is, you can write providing the quality education and improving learning outcomes of students, and focusing on girl education and focusing on digital education. And write a note on national education policy. National education policy is in 2019, the Government of India has framed the national education policy to promote education among the people of India. So it covers all educational systems from primary to college level. So these are the 8 question answers, and detail is right about the mixed farming and the plantation farming. It refers to the rearing of animals along with the cultivation. This type of farming is economical. And plantation farming, it is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large scale. Example, tea, coffee and rubber. And the next one is explain any 2 types of irrigation. So I have taken sprinkler irrigation and the canal irrigation. It is similar to natural rainfall. Water is sprayed through pipes in the air through sprinklers. And canal irrigation is the most important form of the irrigation in India. And most of the North Indian canals are perennial. The main canals or irrigated areas are in the northern place of India, that is UP, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Bihar. And write about the Indian education system. So in this Indian education system, in ancient times, India has a Gurukul system. The modern school was brought to India, including the English language. And education in India is provided by public school, controlled and funded by the 3 levels: central, state and local and private schools. Under various articles of Indian Constitution, free and compulsory education is provided as a fundamental rights to children between the age of 6 and 14. Write about the Indian education, this is the one day, and write about the Right to Education Act in detail. Right to Education Act in 2009 describes the importance of free and compulsory education for children between 6 to 14 years of age. There should be no discrimination in education until the completion of elementary education. No student is stopped from school. An improvement in the quality of education and school infrastructure should be improved every 3 years. So these are the detailed questions on the short answers. So go through this. So I have given the fill up, choose I gave, true or false I gave, match and short answers and details. So everything is in from your book only. I am not giving any extra questions. Okay children, thank you and go through this.